All right, Mason's sharpening the axe. I'm just getting my camera settings set in here. Will you just put my camera out of frame just behind you real quick? I'm shooting f2.8 right now. High ISO to get a higher shutter speed with all the motion. You going again? All right, cool. You ready for this? Whoa! Hold on, wait, I'm not ready. I need to get my camera ready. I just started the GoPro. What the angle do I want here?
What the angle do?
What the angle do I want? I like the logs. Maybe just move right here. Up the f-stop a bit to have everything in focus. All right, whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready. Oh, bud. Not my tent. With your legs, would you be able to have your left foot a bit more toward the log and your right foot back? Yeah, does that feel unnatural?
I mean, yeah, I would never chop wood like this, but...
in photo, it looks fine. Whenever you're ready. Nice. This vlog brought to you by Bic lighters. Ow! Brought to you by Bic. Lean back over like that, kind of like you were just looking in the fire to the left. Yeah, a little less. My camera and the Mark IV, it's a 24mm versus this is like an 18. It kind of crops off right here and right here. And then there's mountains in the distance. I'm just getting before it gets too fogged up. I'm gonna be zooming in, coming back, all that stuff, so. Look off to your right. Look up a little bit. Look a little bit toward me. And now look at me. Chin up some. You look cute, bud. Will you kind of tuck away that red in the hood? Turn toward me a bit, but then look back at the mountains over there. Yeah. I'm just gonna come in. Yeah.
All the way up, or?
Hold on. Yeah, all the way up. All the way up.
All the way up.
Zoomed way in here. Turn a little bit away from me. Yeah. And look just straight out that way. Yeah, just straight out. And now profile, rather. Take a couple steps toward me, like just down the path. Yeah, be careful on that edge. Look a little to your right. Nice. Take a step back. Look out to the mountains again. A little bit to your left, a little bit more right there. And a little bit more. Yeah, right there. And now look at me. Portrait for grandma's fridge. All right, now regular portrait. Chin up a little. Eyes look out that way. Eyes look like right here. Yeah. Rotate your body a bit toward me. Yeah. Face me straight on, like turn your body, yeah. And then look back to where you were just looking at. Yeah. And turn a little bit to your right and then profile. Yeah. Just your head profile, yeah. Nice, and then now, just unzip your jacket and zip it back up. Whoa. Yeah, stay looking to your right there. Gonna get a little lower angle. Go ahead. Nice. That was a good zip. Same thing again. Zip it up. Have your left hand a little bit higher like you did earlier. Bro, you're 3-layering it right now? I love it. All right, whenever you're ready. Nice. Same thing with your elbow. Don't have it out like that. Have it more like against you like that. Yeah. All right, go ahead. Do it again, hand a little higher. Yeah, you can, yeah. Yes. Same thing, I'm gonna get a much closer portrait. So just like this kind of upper part right here. Yeah, and just look off camera. To your right a little more.
Yes.
No, to your right a little more. When you get to the top, will you actually start with just like right here, and then have your hand right there? Yeah. I'm gonna go sideways, also known as vertical. Go ahead. Same thing again. Just get dialed in here.
Thanks for shooting my new profile pic.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Appreciate it.
This one's for
Good money for this.
for Bumble.
But the homies do it for free, so I owe you one.
Yeah.
I'll shoot yours next week.
You owe me $1,000. All right, go ahead. Same thing, look a little bit left rather. Go ahead. Nice, and same thing again, and look at me. Same thing, and then now with this one, kind of almost like bring it up like past, yeah, like that. That's perfect. I'm gonna go sideways for this one. Let me make sure my exposure's good. It's getting dark, buddy. Chin up a bit. All right, go ahead. Nice. Nice. I think that's close to good. Go ahead. Same thing. Look at me. Look a little bit off camera, like right here. Yeah. Nice. Sorry, I was trying to get focused. Go ahead. I think you're smiling on that last one.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
No smiles. Only seriousness here. Same thing. Bring it a little higher. Can't tell where it's pulling focus on. The back of your hand's facing me. Yeah, so come around like that. I know it's not natural. Go ahead. And one more time. And by that I mean probably not one more time. Oh yeah, those ones are good. I like those ones. Sweet. Look at the water. Look at the water. Toward it. Nice. And then I want to get a shot from up here. Yeah. Be safe. Yeah. Nice. I'll come down there, get a few down there. All right, I like this one. Go ahead. Do like a baseball throw, like right field to third base. Nice. Do kind of like a, like you're gonna, like a couple step warm up, like you're gonna go like that. All right, go ahead. Nice. Let me look. Oh, bud, be safe. Yeah, you're doing great. Yeah. I'll have you close the door and just walk back to the fire. Go ahead. Nice. Just rinse and repeat real quick whenever you're ready. Walk a little to your right. Nice. Let me look at these. One sec. Just changing positions. All right, go ahead. Nice moves. I'll have you do it once more and then just walk a bit to where you're to the right. Leave the door open and then take a step back from where you are. Take a step to your right. And action. Nice. Just kind of firing away right now. Oh, I saw that. You okay?
Yeah.
Wow, that boinked you. Nice.
This post is sponsored by Kroger. Kroger is the best pepper you could possibly buy. You heard it here first.
All right,
Anyways.
back to business. And then go ahead again. And once more. I swear, last time. Ah, wait, will you move that white thing? Just so distracting in the back. It's like a big old glob.
Nobody wants that.
Nobody wants that. All right. I'll tell you when. You can leave everything else. You can leave everything else. It's the white. Once more. Be sitting on your tailgate and then with the pan just wiggle around the sausage.
Wiggle around them sausages.
Yup. Nice.